So Ed, is this? I'm assuming this is inside your. Are you doing the option bundle on this one? Yep. And he's working with my brother as his coach, using the visual wrist box. Sees the Kata 2, gets short, sees the collapsing dragon as um, confirmation of this move, and that is keyed in on this one. This if you get out here, this is a reasonable reentry. Gets paid 7.5R. Sniper trading plus options with your personalized coach. I do my best to coach. My brother is the coach. He uses that the nursing mentality of tough love with empathy for maximum healing. I'm telling you, um, I'm trying to persuade him to do more coaching. He's been doing really well with the trading, and so I got to persuade him to coach. So he's got a limited bandwidth on how many more people he can coach. But if you're interested, I would grab it while the iron is hot because